How to fix capped dice in Monopoly Go. I'm gonna show you 3 ways. So the first way, if you want to go over the limit of the dice, is going to your albums, and right here you can just click on the save and you can trade your extra cards for saves. So as you can see, the different tiers of saves give you a different amount of dice, so you can go over the limit. So that was the first way. The second way is by waiting for the tournament to end. So for example, let's say you got one of the top places right here that actually reward you with dice, so top 15 in this case. And all you gotta do is just wait for the 8 hours to expire, and then you will get your dice and you will go over the limit. And the last thing that I can suggest doing is, if there's a Rent Frenzy event, or sorry, not Rent Frenzy, but the Landmark Rush event or the Board Rush event, then if you have some money saved up, you want to go to build and basically just maximize as many landmarks, or upgrade as many landmarks as you can, so you get the reward. So accordingly, for the Landmark Rush, you want to just update 1 to the maximum level, and then for the Board Rush, you just gotta complete all of them, and you will get, for Landmark Rush, 10 dice for every landmark that you upgrade. And then for Board Rush, if you change boards, you will get 30 additional dice. So hope this was informative. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.